My daughter suggested that we get a food tray, like one of these. And we wanted to order on Amazon, but then we thought, hey, what if we just make it ourselves? So what we did was, took this board, cut off a piece on a table saw, softened the edges on the belt sander, put it on the CNC. Because it's much bigger than the CNC working area, we had to do this in 3 operations, and each operation took 2 hours. So this is the tray right off the CNC, and this is the finished product. It looks pretty good. I've also fixed the rear motor mount, so it should no longer be affected by high temperature of the motor. The board was originally flat on both sides, but after I applied the finish, it has developed a little bow. So once they arrive, I will just glue the little rubber feet on 4 edges, and hopefully that will take care of rocking. Turned out to be a nice present. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.